In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize a network graph in Tableau. This quick guide will have you up and running in just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If it's not already installed on your computer, you can easily download it from Tableau's official website. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and access your worksheet. This will be where all the visualization magic happens. Now let's start setting up our visualization by dragging the Y variable into the row section. You'll need to do this twice. It's crucial because we are going to build a dual axis chart. After you've placed Y in the rows twice, you need to ensure that both are set as dimension and continuous. This setup is necessary for achieving the right display format for the graph. Next, right-click on the second Y pill and select Dual Axis. This combination is especially powerful for visualizing complex data structures like a network graph. Dual axis charts allow us to overlay different types of analytical information on the same graph, providing a more comprehensive overview. Now, it's time to start shaping our graph by dragging the X variable to the column section. Doing so aligns your data correctly along the horizontal axis. Once that's in place, focus your attention on the marks card, which controls how data points are displayed on your graph. You'll want to set the first field to line. Lines are instrumental in connecting your data points, forming the structure of your network. Following that, set the second field in the marks card to circle. This step is crucial because circles represent each data point, providing visual clarity on individual nodes of your network graph. To give our graph an extra layer of interpretation, drag the region variable to the color on the second field. This will color code the circles based on their region, helping to distinguish different segments of your data at a glance. The C index, on the other hand, should be dragged to detail on the first field. This will incorporate more specific data information into your graph, allowing for detailed exploration as you or others interact with the visualization. Finally, drag the income group variable to the color on the first field. This adds yet another dimension of understanding by differentiating income groups via color on your lines. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a functional and insightful network graph in Tableau. This visualization can markedly enhance your ability to analyze complex networks and data patterns. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.